Hi there, it's summertime, so I'm starting to enjoy smoothies more and more, so I decided to share one of my favorite fertility smoothie recipes with you. Of course, it supports your overall health as well, not just your fertility. Anyhow, let's get right into it. So we start off with 2 cups of water, but feel free to use any liquid that you enjoy. So that can be milk, non-dairy, or whatever you like. Now, after that, we are going to add the key ingredient, the star of the show, beets. Now, I chopped these depending on the power of your blender. That'll determine how much you want to chop these. They are full of antioxidants and they're thought to help with increasing blood flow to make sure that you are nurturing and nourishing your reproductive organs. Next, we are adding in beet greens. Now, I tend to buy beets with the greens intact so that I can use that and save a little bit of money. They're also a great source of fiber and iron. Next, we have our ginger. Now, ginger is kind of like the goat when it comes to culinary herbs for women's health. So, definitely tons of ginger will be used in almost all my recipes. Then we have avocado for the healthy fats. They're so great. And they're also going to add a really great creamy texture and help your body actually absorb more of the fat soluble nutrients. Next, we have our frozen raspberries. They're going to add beautiful color, beautiful flavor, and tons of antioxidants. Excuse me while I drop the raspberry bowl into the blender. Anyhow, so we scoop all those in. Then we have our banana. I'm going to peel it off screen and break it up. I really don't need to break it up, but whatever. Anyhow, tons of potassium, adds to the creamy texture, adds some sweetness as well to make this more enjoyable. And finally, we have our flax seeds. I am constantly recommending flax seeds to my clients, so it might be something that you want to explore as well. I'm gonna pop on the top, and then we shall blend. Here we go. Okay, so it's all done. I typically have this with scrambled eggs or sausage to add in some more protein and fat to the meal to make it more satiating and more balanced to make sure that my blood sugar remains balanced. Some people will add in protein powder as a way of getting in more protein, so tons of options there. As long as you're pairing it with a protein-rich food, then I think this can be a great breakfast option for a lot of people. Alright, I hope that you enjoyed this, and if you try this smoothie, I hope you enjoy it as well. I've made sure to add the recipe to the description box below so you know the exact amounts. Be well, and bye for now.